it's Amanda, and you're in my kitchen with me making something I absolutely love, pickles. Or today, it's gonna be a quickle. You know why? It's easy AF. Okay, so when I said quickle, I meant a quick pickle. Because we're not going to seal these in a mason jar and boil them and store them in the pantry, these are going to get stored in the refrigerator after we pour the pickling liquid over them. And they'll be ready hour, 2 hours, overnight, whatever you like. So a quick pickle can be done so easily with water, vinegar, sugar, and salt. That's it. And then you can spice it up with whatever else you like. I already have water in here. I have about 2 cups of water. So the ratio is going to be 2 to 1. You need lots of vinegar for this because you want it acidic, and that does the work for you. It does all the pickling. It does all the delicious work to make it acidic. Now, you can use regular old distilled white vinegar, which I like to use because it just is neutral and it takes on the flavor of any vegetable. Or I'm going to spice it up with a little champagne vinegar here. You can use red wine vinegar too. All right, so we've got lots of pickling liquid. What we have here is a sliced cucumbers, regular old cucumber, this is actually an English cucumber, it's seedless, carrots, and red onion, which always need to be treated somehow. I love pickling red onion. Now, I have some raw garlic, which I'm going to add to my carrot. I have some bay leaf, which I'm going to put in the water. So not only am I going to add sugar and salt, but I am going to add some spices. This is about a half to a quarter cup of sugar. I like it a little more savory, so I go with a little more salt. 2 or 3 tablespoons, coriander seed, fennel seed, mustard seed. You could put black peppercorns. You could put herbs in here, anything you want. And what I encourage you to do is actually taste this before you pour it over your vegetables. Because if this tastes good, then your veggies are going to taste good. What else could you do this with? I do pickled jalapenos. As you can see, I do these at home myself. I have pickled carrots in here mixed with some jalapenos, which is so delicious. I love to make pickles. They hang out in my fridge and I eat them with sandwiches. I put them on fish dishes. I just eat them on their own. Okay, so this is going to come to a boil while I add some garlic to my carrots. You can pickle peppers. You can pickle just about anything you like. I'm going to add the garlic to the carrot because I find that the carrot needs a little punch. All right, so let's go ahead and taste this. This should come up to a boil. I know it seems weird to taste this, but you have to because you're not going to know because these have to sit for a little while. Ooh, yes. It has that acidic punch. It's a little bit sweet. It's a little bit salty. And you bring it up to a boil, and we're going to pour it over. And that's it. Okay, our pickle liquid has boiled. And we're going to go ahead and take it and distribute it over each vegetable. And that's it. You can let them sit until they cool, then put a lid on it and throw them inside of your fridge. And each one, like I said, has different flavor. We've got garlic with our carrot. Our pickle liquid base is all the same, but the onion is going to give off its flavor. The cucumbers are going to give off their flavor. You can even put dill inside of the cucumber. Just put a bunch of dill with those cukes. And then the carrot, I always love adding jalapeno with my carrot, but this is just going to be straight up. And that's it! That's your quickle. I can't taste them because they're not ready yet, but as you see, they're easy AF. But wait, before you go, I have an extra tip for you. If you're not ready to make your own pickle liquid, when you're done with your cornichons or your pickles, don't throw away the liquid. Take that, bring it to a boil, and pour it over your favorite vegetable. This is valuable pickle liquid. This is a great tip, a trick to make your own quickles.